Jai Srimanarayana. Janaka approaches Viswamitra and says, "O Maharshi, I am ready to give my Sita to Sri Rama." Then also asks, "O Maharshi, can I send my ministers to Ayodhya to Dasaratha?" Then Viswamitra Maharshi says, "Go ahead." Then Janaka sent his minister to give this message to Dasaratha Maharaju. They went to Ayodhya. They gave this message, good news, to Dasaratha. Dasaratha also felt so happy. Dasaratha Maharaju calls all of his ministers and his Acharya Vasishtha. And Dasaratha is saying that, "Oh Acharya, Janaka Maharaju has seen the valor and strength of my son Rama. Now, Janaka Maharaju wants to give his daughter Sita and marry to Sri Rama. Oh Acharya, if you all agree with that, let us go to Mithila as soon as possible." Then all the ministers and Vasishtha Maharshi felt so happy and announced that tomorrow we are starting from here to Mithila. They already started. It has taken 4 days for them to reach Mithila. Janaka Maharaju gave a very good reception to Dasaratha Maharaju, saying that, "Oh Dasaratha, I am so blessed to see you." And also says that, "Oh Dasaratha, tomorrow the yajna that I am doing will be concluded. Tomorrow is Purnahuti. After that, let us start making arrangements for Sita Rama Kalyanam." Then Dasaratha Maharaju says, "Oh Janaka, you are the giver. I am the receiver. You are giving your daughter. I am receiving your daughter. It is said, those who are receiving is always lower, and those who are giving always have upper hand. That is why whatever you say, I shall obey." That is what Dasaratha Maharaju says to Janaka Maharaju. Everybody felt so happy. And then Dasaratha got to see his sons Rama and Lakshmana. They all felt very happy. And Janaka Maharaju is now making arrangements to get his brother Kusadhvaja. With meditation upon Sri Ramachandra Swami, let us now do Ramanama Smarana. Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.